This is Eric. How's it going? Another update. I just received these front end steering components, and I get my parts from Rock Auto. I like them because they've got great prices, and you can pick from multiple brands. Where if you go to AutoZone, you only get the Duralast product or whatever they carry. But anyways, I was looking at buying tie rods, idler arms, center link, and adjusting sleeves. And normally I buy Moog products. That's spelled M-O-O-G. But I noticed this Proforged brand that was almost the same price. And what sold me on it was that they come with this black finish. Whenever I get Moog products, they come with bare steel, so you gotta degrease it, take off the oil, and paint it. And then, of course, you get paint in the threads, and the nuts jam up, and then it wipes the paint off. Well, these come already finished, so these nuts thread real nice, and it's not gonna rust. Another thing I like is that these zircons, most of the time on the Moog products, these little screws here are kind of self-tapping, and they go in kind of hard, whereas these guys, I mean, it already came tapped, so they go right in there. So I like that. And then I also got these really fancy aluminum adjuster sleeves. So it gives it a real nice look, and the original ones are like a rolled steel with a split, and it gets rust inside. And then I tried moving all these joints around, and I tell you, they're pretty damn firm. There's a lot of spring pressure on that joint, so I think it'll keep the car, it'll give the car good handling, very tight steering. I think it'll last a while, but overall, I gotta say, I am impressed with this Proforged brand.